What if Kanye West created a bank that doesn't accept money, only compliments? Welcome to the YEconomy, where interest rates depend on how interesting you are. Kanye walks into a press conference and says, "Money is boring. I only accept ego deposits." And people go crazy. Every celebrity starts opening accounts. Kim Kardashian walks in with 10 million followers. Kanye just nods and says, "Cool. That's worth 1.5 Yeezys." At YE Bank, there's no cash, just confidence. You don't withdraw money, you withdraw validation. A broke rapper walks in. "I'd like to open a checking account." Kanye stares and says, "Do you have a Grammy?" "No." "Then you're checking out." Crowd laughs, cameras flash, and CNBC calls it the most innovative financial disaster of the decade. Experts start asking, wait, if people are rich just because they're famous, is that capitalism or karaoke? And honestly, they have a point. Kanye's economy runs on attention. The more people talk about you, the richer you get. Which, when you think about it, is exactly how the internet works. Welcome to influencer economics, where clout replaced capital. Now every brand copies the idea. Nike releases Air Ego. Meta launches Like Loans. Even Elon Musk introduces Dogecoin Platinum, now powered by pure chaos. The world officially loses it. Money is gone. Everything's traded in attention, likes, and drama. Economists panic. They open a new index, the Kardashian stock market. Prices go up every time someone argues on Instagram. But then the problem hits. If everyone's rich in attention, no one's rich in reality. You can't pay rent with retweets. You can't buy food with fame. And when everyone's a brand, no one's a person anymore. Kanye looks into the camera and says, "Money was fake, but ego? That's eternal." So what do you think? Would you open an account at YE Bank where your balance is measured in followers? Because in this new economy, it's not about what you own. It's about how loud you tweet. Welcome to Famous Figures Economics, where we don't fix money. We just make it sound funnier. Ha ha.